Hey everyone! Welcome back where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the brand new Oppo K12x, set to release on May 20th, 2024. This mid-range marvel is packed with features that will blow your mind, and we're here to give you an exclusive first look. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the display and design. The Oppo K12x boasts a stunning 6.67-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. That means smoother scrolling and a better viewing experience whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a peak brightness of 2100 nits, this screen is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. And at just 8.1mm thick and weighing 191 grams, it feels great in the hand, combining durability with a sleek, modern look. Oppo K12x is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. This is paired with up to 12GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and performance. Whether you're switching between apps or playing graphics-intensive games, this phone handles it all with ease. Plus, with storage options of up to 512GB, you'll have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. And don't forget, there's also a micro SDXC slot for expandable storage now. Let's talk cameras. The Oppo K12x features a dual camera setup with a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. This combination allows for stunning photos with great detail and depth. The main camera's f/1.8 aperture is perfect for low-light photography. And with features like LED flash, HDR, and panorama, your photos will look amazing in any condition. The 16MP front camera also ensures your selfies are always on point. And for video, both front and rear cameras can shoot in 1080p at 30 frames per second with Euro-IS for smooth footage. Battery life is crucial, and the Oppo K12x doesn't disappoint with its 5500 mAh battery. This means you can easily get through a full day of heavy use. When it's time to recharge, the 80W fast charging can get you back to 100% in just 50 minutes. That's incredibly fast and ensures you're not left waiting around. The Oppo K12x also comes packed with additional features to enhance your experience. It has an under-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking, stereo speakers for immersive audio, and a 3.5mm headphone jack for those who prefer wired audio. Connectivity-wise, it supports 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and multiple positioning systems including GPS and GLONASS. It's also running the latest Android 14 with ColorOS 14, providing a smooth and user-friendly interface. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The Oppo K12x is expected to retail at around €170, making it a fantastic value for the features it offers. With its release date set for May 20th, 2024, it won't be long before you can get your hands on this impressive device. So, what do you think of the Oppo K12x? Is it the mid-range phone you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.